MMC Contractors is a mechanical contractor. We do plumbing, HVAC, piping, and sheet metal, as well as process piping. Children's Healthcare of Atlanta was envisioning a new campus. Every dollar that we can save could be a dollar that gets spent by that hospital providing care to a patient.
We actually had 2 general contractors, 2 mechanical contractors, 2 plumbing contractors, multiple sprinkler contractors and electrical contractors, and we all had to work together as one big team. And this was top down from the owner that we want to use as much BIM and prefabrication and modularization as we can.
There's a lot of advantages to doing prefabrication. You're able to produce your systems in a controlled environment, which enhances both your safety and your quality. Labor sources are sometimes stretched, and you may not get the quality that you have in a shop environment. It allows you to get a jump on the installation.
We got involved with the designer of record, the general contractor, and other specialty trades very early. We all collaborated in the Revit environment. We implemented Stratus to help with fabrication planning, as well as getting information from the field superintendents back to the fabrication shops, as well as from our BIM individuals to the fields. All the different trades were working together in the BIM environment, along with the designer simultaneously.
We're using fabrication parts in Revit with the GTP Stratus plugin. Along with that, we're producing Navisworks models for our field team to review. There was, less than 1% rework. And I think that's a testament to, how much more detail we're getting with these models now. That model ends up being that single source of truth for everybody to refer back to and to make sure that what's going to be installed in the field and what's going to be fabricated in our facility is accurate.
We used Revit, Navisworks. Revit allowed us in the field to actually see what's going to happen. And Stratus actually gave us a 3D view of it. BIM allows us to actually prefabricate early to get out ahead of the schedule and reduce the manpower that was actually on site. It made the job a lot safer, and we saved ourselves on a lot of different wells. There was a total of 3,000 wells on the project, and I'd say 85% of those were done in the shop.
We fabricated around 724 racks. We had 195 days of straight deliveries. We took about 3.5 months off the schedule. We beat our original delivery date of fluids by 6 weeks. Once we get our work done, it allows for the finishes to proceed much sooner and actually start commissioning this hospital, hopefully to a point where maybe they can open up the doors a little sooner and start treating these children that need that kind of treatment. So it's kind of a blessing to be on something that is going to have a very positive impact for this community.
Since Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, over 80% of our projects greater than $5 million and 100% of our projects greater than $100 million use this collaborative approach. What we've been able to show our clients is the benefits that we had on children's as well as other projects and what that means to them. That we have schedule savings, we have constructability savings, and we have cost savings. I think children's is kind of a new high bar for us on what we can do related to collaboration and working in that team environment. I think the collaborative approach will allow us to win more projects and deliver the same type of results to future projects.